Yvette's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious fish sandwich, okay? So first I already seasoned and fried my fish, drained in paper towel. Now I'm gonna just use some mayonnaise, butter, okay, and I'm gonna put my fish. My hands already washed, so that's okay. So I'm gonna put my ketchup next. Okay. Then I'm gonna add my lettuce and my tomatoes. Okay. And this is our delicious fish sandwich, okay? So I'm gonna have a taste. Yummy. This is delicious. Or lovely and delicious fish sandwich, okay? So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette's Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.